Weather-wise out there, we do have a few more showers out there, very light. Again, not going to have the heavy flooding rain that we saw across parts of the Metroplex yesterday. But again, some spotty light showers going to dampen the roads just a little bit out there for you. You might need those umbrellas if you're walking off to the car, maybe trying to get into work here a little bit later this morning. Taking you out to DFW Airport, shouldn't have any big weather-related delays out at the airports here for today because of the light rain that's moving through. And here's what it looks like on radar here for you right now. Hitting up the tollway, might see a few little light showers there heading out 635 once again, where we saw the heavy rain yesterday, but very light and spotty in nature around the Metroplex, Dallas, back toward Fort Worth, over toward Arlington there. So spotty light showers in and around the area here this morning. Now we'll have the light rain a little farther south. It gets a little more scattered though, and this is where we could see some pockets of some moderate showers, maybe even an embedded thunderstorm out toward Palestine, moving into southeast Texas as we go through the day. But notice on the backside of that, we'll start to see a little more sun, I think, in our northwestern counties, kind of the back edge of that rain. And that's where temperatures today will be a little bit warmer, upper 80s to low 90s again today with the cloud cover and the light rain hanging around. Temperatures will be struggling to get into the low 80s, I think, in our southeastern counties here for today. So as we look at that timecast, again, not a whole lot in the way of rain, I think, around most of North Texas, less than 20% with that coverage as we go through the day, and that tapers off as we head on into this evening. Now, we'll still see some slight rain chances for the rest of the week, but the better chances by far will be well down to our south and east Wednesday, Thursday, going on into Friday. You see, we'll have some isolated showers around through the end of the week, and we'll bump that up a little bit, I think, for us on Friday, but still only isolated in nature, I think, with those showers and isolated thunderstorms as we get into the weekend. So not a washout at all on any given day, but again, we will have at least a chance for some rain and thunderstorms Friday going into the upcoming weekend as well. Now, as far as that rainfall forecast is concerned, the heavier rain, again, will be down to our south and east, where we could see some very heavy rain getting into our southeastern counties through this weekend. So something to keep in mind if you did have some travel plans in those directions. But you see, it is going to be light, a quarter to maybe a half an inch in our southeastern counties here as we get up toward North Texas here over the next few days. So low wind rain chances, but at least the temperatures are going to stay below normal for us. With the cloud cover around, we'll have those temperatures only in the upper 80s to low 90s across the area. We'll start to warm up a little bit more toward the end of the weekend. And yes, we do have some heat to talk about in that extended forecast as well. Looking at that 14-day forecast, going to keep it in the lower 90s through the end of the week. You see that slight chance for a few showers and storms Friday and Saturday, about 20%. We'll bump that up to about a 30% coverage on Sunday. And then beyond that, our rain chances begin to dry up as we end the month of July, getting into August, and it looks like the triple-digit heat not too far off, just in time for the first of the month. We'll talk more about that in the days to come. All right, let's get over to the station, checking on traffic.